Hello, this is Gadget Mall. I got a big order in from icstation.com. He sent me a few gifts along with my order. I've completed my first little project. It is a microwave doppler sensor with a light, and operates off of a small 5-volt power supply inside. Now I have a charging port there for it, on and off switch, and a switch to toggle between the piezo beeper and the light. It works very well. Works through walls. 360 degree antenna there. Having a hard time putting it somewhere where it doesn't trigger through walls. My idea was to set it up so I know if someone comes out the back porch, walks on the back porch, it will alert me. Many uses for this little alarm, and I'll just demonstrate it here. Right now it's in piezo mode. You can hear it, and here is the light mode. We'll just let it sit here and reset on 30-second timer once it's triggered. I'll see if I can be still enough for it to reset. Okay, I'm very still. All I have to do is move just a little bit, and it triggers off the you see, I can move just a little bit. Okay, thank you, icstation, and I'm enjoying this little module. By the way, the green light indicates on, and the red light is the trigger on. Be still long enough, it will. I don't think I can be still this close to it. It's very sensitive. I'm getting a range of about 18 feet or so. There, see, it went off and triggered back on. The cat actually triggered it off from her movement. Okay. Thanks for watching.